Hey, sixth graders, we have a short week this week. I hope you guys all had a great Memorial Day weekend. So we have Tuesday through Friday this week. And again, you can work at your own pace. You don't have to follow the daily agenda that I have written on there, okay? What you're going to be doing this week is you will be watching a video called Power to the Planet. And what it is it's looking at some different types of ways that we get energy. And so it looks at some non-renewable and renewable sources of energy that we use on Earth. Okay, so what you're going to be doing is there's a video link right here. It's called Power to the Planet. It'll bring you to a YouTube video. It's about 15 minutes long. Okay, and along with that, there is this note sheet. All right, so when you fill that out while you're watching the video, you're going to do this part one. And so all you're doing is looking for each of the different types of energy that it talks about. You're looking at some of the benefits, so some of the good things about that. A lot of them, it might be that it's inexpensive, it's easy to create, whatever, okay? And then you're also going to look at some limitations or negative environmental impacts that that type of energy might have, okay? So benefits are going to be kind of the good things about it. Limitations and environmental impacts are going to be the bad things about it, okay? So that's the first part of the assignment here. So that's watching the Power to the Planet and doing the note sheet. Okay, you can finish that up. And then what you're going to be doing is choosing one type of energy resource and you're going to create a poster on that. Okay, so that is going to be part two on here. So you're going to choose one of the types of energy. You're going to create a poster explaining the benefits and limitations of this type of energy. Include where it is used today and a picture and or diagram of it. And so you can use the internet to search up pictures and to search up maybe where it's used today. All right, so what you need to include is the benefits of this energy source, the limitations or environmental impacts of this energy source, where it is used today, a picture, a diagram, and make it colored and looking nice, okay? There's two ways that you can create this poster. You can just take a plain sheet of paper and draw it on there. That's fine. Or you can use Google Draw and you can put it on there. And so if you're going to do Google Draw, you can click on this and make a copy of this document, and then we'll be able to edit it, okay? So for the picture and stuff, if you were using Google Draw, you probably are going to insert a picture from the internet, and that's fine, all right? So you're going to make the poster. Then when you are done making the poster, what you are going to do is you're going to upload it to this Schoology media album that I created. Okay, now the cool thing about this is everybody in your class will be able to upload it and then you'll be able to see everyone's poster that they created. Okay, so that is found right here. And I just have some example ones that I put in there. Those will be deleted probably by the time you do this. Okay. But in order to upload it, there's directions on how to upload the poster to the album right here. So you'll need to watch that video. So you're going to do it in one of two ways. You're either going to take a picture of it and then send that to yourself and download it to your Chromebook. And there's directions for that in the video. Or you're going to, if it's already on Google Drive, you'll just download it as probably as a JPEG. Okay, and then put it in there. So the directions are on that video. All right, so all you're doing this week, watching the Power to the Planet video. It's about 15 minutes long, filling in the note sheet as you do that, filling in the top part. Okay, so maybe that will be one day, and then finishing it up Wednesday, and then deciding which energy type you want to do and create your poster Wednesday into Thursday, and then on Friday upload it to the album. Then what I would like you to do is make positive comments on two other people's posters. If when you get in there, if there aren't any in there yet or not a lot, you could maybe wait and come back to it and do that. All right, so have a good week. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.